Greetings from HRE Global. I am Santa Sharma of Grade 8 and have come to a shocking realization that us urbanized people know nothing about farming. Do you know how much of it goes into a single grain of rice? Are we aware about the problems faced by farmers? Traditional farming in India faces problems such as water shortage, excessive or low usage of water, labor shortage, and soil degradation. So let's switch over to my teammate to continue.
I'm Kanishka and I'm going to tell about causes and effects of the problem. Causes of the problems are soil degradation, over-dependent on laborers. So effect of the problems are reduced soil fertility and crop yield, wastage of water and other natural resources. Farmers, especially small, along with agricultural planners and the most important, our environment are facing problems.
And that's why our team Future Shapers is here with a solution. CropMate. CropMate is an IoT-enabled robot designed to soil analysis, plowing, seeding, irrigation, and grass cutting. CropMate don't just make farming easier; it makes it smarter and greener. Here's what it does on ground: water conservation, so better soil health, and higher productivity.
So, this robot contains ESP32 and Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno helps in the movement of the car and ESP32 control all the sensors. The sensors are DTX pivot sensor, which is a temperature and a humidity sensor, a ultrasonic sensor which knows the water level of the tank, and a soil moisture sensors which check the moisture of the soil. All the data is collected to a cloud monitoring app named Blink IoT, and this robot is connected to our phone by the help of HC05 Bluetooth module to an app Arduino card. So this robot consists of 3 12 volts battery and one starting switch.
This would have a great impact on our future as it conserves water and maintains soil health. It is a productive robot as it reduces humidity, time, cost while increasing precision. It is an energy efficient robot which as it has battery powered operation which eliminates fuel dependency. Temperature and humidity can help farmers to track climate changes as IoT integration can bring rural agriculture into digital ecosystem. In conclusion, CropMate is a smart assistant. It not only works for the field but also thinks for the farmer. CropMate is a step towards Viksit Bharat, a developed and self-reliant India. This project contributes of several pillars. First, STEM for Viksit Bharat, as it includes science, technology, engineering, and maths for real-time application. Second, Atmanirbhar Bharat, as the components which are used in this are indigenous and open source technologies. Third, sustainable agriculture, as it is resource efficient and data driven robot.
Thank you.